The name of the club says it all. These colors are something that you cherish, something that you hold dearly to your heart. We see another person wearing these colors, you know that's your brother. A friend is a friend, but your club brother is your club brother. We are a rare breed, and this is what we do. To get into a pack and riding with about 20 to 30 to 80 guys in a club, all of them on the same motorcycle, everybody's going the same way. You know, every last one of them is your brother. You know, you down for them, they down for you. We have always flipped every bike that we had, no matter what we rode. We always wanted to personalize our bike. We started putting the Gator seats on there. We did all the chroming on the bikes. We're the ones that started turning around and making the motors run like they're supposed to. We took it to a whole nother level. But the key thing is this: no matter what you put into this motorcycle, if you don't ride it, it ain't about nothing. We're talking about traveling. It's not just about show, it's about go. You know, we take these $30,000 and $40,000 motorcycles, we ride them all across the country. Having the air hitting you, the wind in your face, the freedom of nothing being around you, it's not a feeling like that in the world.